Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Nebulizer Saline solution. These are 5 milliliters. You get 100 in the pack. Alright, so right here we have our saline solution. These are 0.9%. They're 5 milliliter units. This one here is a pack of 100, so you have more than enough to last for a while. I do have a portable nebulizer, so this pack of 100 is perfect for me. I like the fact that they are connected together. They're super easy to break apart. They do come in a pack of 4 each one of them, and you do get 100 of them. So all you have to do to get one is just rip it from each other. They are super easy. I like the fact that they are set in this box. There are enough liquids to last me for several months if I do this every day. So this is a strong sterile solution that can be inhaled as a nebulizer medication for people with respiratory issues. This draws water out of the tissues through the osmosis, thinning out the mucus and making it easier to cough up. It is charged particles of the solution that can also break up mucus and prevent infections from gaining foothold in the lungs. So what I'm going to do is take one of these, I'm going to open them up and put it into my portable nebulizer, and I'm going to show you just how good this is. It actually has the steam that come out. So I'm just going to go and get my nebulizer and I'm going to install this liquid. So right here I got my portable nebulizer. I'm going to grab one of these. You can see how easy it is to rip it off. Just pop this side off, and at the top you're just going to twist that, and once you twist it, it will rip off, and then you're just gonna pour it into your nebulizer, regardless if you have a portable one or a non-portable one. So you just take this, turn it like this, and it pops right off, and then you just pour it in there. So you squeeze it and fill up your nebulizer, and then once you fill this up, you're gonna go ahead and close the top lid. So this gives you about 20 minutes of the nebulizer working. So now that it is completely empty, I'm just going to put the top on, and then I'm going to put my mouth guard on instead of the face guard. Okay, so now that we got the solution in there, I'm going to lock it in place. And now I'm going to get the mouth part. Just going to unscrew this part right here, just pop it right off. And then we're going to stick the mouthpiece right here. This is full rubber, so it is bendable. And then I'm just going to push the button and turn it on, and you can see the flow. This is the high flow, and then they have a low flow, but it feels like a cool mist. If you're looking for some saline solution for your nebulizer, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. You do get 100 in a pack.